Lift me up. Oh.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. Guys, I'm here with another beautiful hairstyle again. This one it's called Fulani hairstyle. So guys, I hope you guys are going to love this tutorial and also love the outcome. And as you all know, I'll be using my expression. I use one pack of expression for this tutorial, and this I've already done some part. I'm just showing you guys how I did the rest. It's just for you to roll it on top. It's not hard at all. Very simple to put on the rollers. So after then, you all know I'm going to put it in hot water. Guys, I actually made this hair the same day I put it in hot water. I just got to look for something to dry it on time so I can make my hair, because I could not wait for this hairstyle. And this hairstyle, I saw it on Yvonne Meda, the big YouTuber, like the queen of tutorial. I saw it there, so I decided to try this out. I don't know how this hair is going to look like. Yes, this is the outcome after removing it from the rollers. This is the outcome. You just have to cut the down so that when you are separating it, it will not be rough, like it will not be too rough. Yes, this is how it looks after, but first of all, you have to cut it from the down, and this is the one I have done, like I have separated already. Guys, are you just coming across this video for the very first time? Please do well to subscribe this video, like and share. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you are going to try this out, do let me know. It's been long I did Ghana braid. In this, maybe very soon I'm going to do Ghana braid for my hair. Yes, I know it has been long I did Ghana braid, but this hair is equivalent to Ghana braid, but it's not Ghana braid. Like, it's not Ghana braid just like that. It's just only the front parts. I weave my natural hair at the back. I add a little bit of expression. Guys, just watch this video to the end, and do also let me know what you think about this video, what you think about this hairstyle. If this is what you like, keep on watching.
Lift me up. Hold me down. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up. Hold me down. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need light. We need love. Lift me up in your arms. I need love. I need love. I need love. Hold me. 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 We need light. We need love. Lift me up. Hold me down. Keep me close. Safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift Keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you deep water. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you deep water. Keep me safe.
I used my natural hair, like I'm weaving my natural hair. It was like if I weave my natural hair a little bit before I will add the expression braid for it to be very strong. Do you get? So, and that is it, because I don't want my hair to cut at the front, so that's why I weave my natural hair first before adding the expression. And if you want to do yours, you can also do it like this to avoid hair cut at the front. So you see, I'm weaving my natural hair and then before adding the expression braid. Yes guys, if you are wondering what I am looking at, I'm looking at the mirror. Yes, you know you cannot achieve this kind of look without you looking at the mirror. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So guys, enjoy this video to the end and I will see you on my next video.